program. Beep, beep. I could stuff that thing in there.
Amazing, isn't it?
Where's your family, Judy?
We'll both do it.
See the back. That's cool.
Remember the show hard out. I'll put up with that. You know what? Yeah, have a good one. Where's the place where you cook your own steak?
It's not open yet.
Tell him I said that. Tell him he couldn't give you shit time. Sorry.
I have never seen a Batman.
True match to today's diverse community. Renowned local artist Rick Sharp will create a series of banners that chronologically depict the people and stories that shaped Carpinteria. This mural will be a lasting monument and educational landmark for locals and visitors alike. Join us in preserving and celebrating our shared heritage. This morning doing an e-bike raffle on 8th Street and Hawaiian shaved ice this afternoon.
Look at the doggy.
Women of Ag, located also on 8th. Selling avocado oil, tea towels, and canvas bags. And don't forget the arts in honor of Andy Granatelli and Michael Hammer. 15-second rev up at 12 o'clock. Want to thank Soleil Perry for an absolute beautiful rendition of the national anthem. Enjoy your time, everybody. Enjoy your family.
So this thing can catch it and the wires are
Drivers, let's hear those